How could you forget it all? The sea waves crashed and roared at me. The ship I steered had one clear path, a path my mother's shadow carved. Her wrinkled smile had been her charm, yet stolen by a clan of thieves. The Owen was their family name. They stripped away our brilliant stones, and her blood alone glowed on the walls. Her cold fingers lit my rage within, and I chased them through the gulf of night. Yes, how could I forget it all? The hell that drove me to the sea has also led me to find you. Why do your eyes still soften mine when you're truly one of them?